Hey everyone, so in this video we'll be taking a look at this USB lavalier microphone by Maono. The model number is AU UL10 and this is a good microphone to go for if you're looking for recording something on your laptop or your desktop. So as a part of this video, first we'll do the unboxing process. Then towards the end of the video, I'll do a short demonstration wherein I'll record something with this mic being connected to my laptop, and then I'll record something with the laptop's internal mic, and you can check the results for yourself. Alright, so let's see what we've got in the box. So the first thing that we have in here is a thank you note, which is a nice gesture. And then here's some documentation. So I believe this is the user guide. So yeah, this user guide has instructions on how you can set up the device to be used with your computer. So in case if you face any issues, you can refer to this user guide. And then here's a little help related thing. So it mentions that if you need any help, you can always reach out to them via these contact details. So yes, you can either use their email address, the Facebook page, or visit their website. And then finally in here we have the mic in this nice little pouch. So let's open this and see what we have inside. So here is the USB mic. The build quality looks quite premium. Even the connector feels quite sturdy. And I think there's something more in the pouch. Yeah, so this thing right here is the clip that you can use to attach the mic to your clothing. So it basically sits over here. And then using this clip, you can attach this to your clothing. So that's all that we have in the box. Now let's get to the demonstration part. So I've connected the USB to my laptop, and now I'll be using a software to record a screen grabbing along with the audio. So let's see how much difference it makes compared to the laptop's internal mic. Okay, so now the audio is being recorded with the USB lavalier mic connected to my laptop, and if I go into the sound configuration, I should be able to see this device in the recording tab. And yes, it's here, it's listed as a microphone and the type is a USB lavalier microphone, and this is set as the default device. So all of the recording that is happening right now is going through this mic. For the quality comparison, now I'll unplug the USB mic so that we can record through the laptop's default microphone array, and then we can check the difference. So let me just unplug this and I'll do another set of recording with the laptop's mic. So now the sound is being recorded through the laptop's default mic, and if I go back to the sound configuration under the recording, now the laptop's default mic is set as the default device. So if you notice, there's a lot of quality difference between the USB lavalier mic and the default mic that a laptop has. So in general, if you have a normal laptop with a normal microphone array, then I would highly recommend you to go for a lavalier mic if you're into recording stuff like screen grabbings, and if you're posting videos to YouTube and stuff which has screen grabbings in it. So let me just switch back to the USB device again, and we'll conclude this video. So that's it for this one, guys. So I'll be posting a link in the description for buying this microphone, and if you have any questions about this product, you can add them in the comments section below and I'll respond to them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel.